Today we're going to be cold starting this thing. It's freezing cold out here. You can see it's very frosty. So hopefully it's going to start. There's no reason why it shouldn't start. It's all well set up. I need full choke this morning, I think. Let's see where we get. Hey, first time. Not bad. For a 1975 1300 Allegro. I'm not going to rev it up because that's the worst thing you can do with a cold engine. The oil's very thick, like tar. It's taken a while to come up on the gauge because it's so thick. We have life. Next thing to do is try and engage gear, which is going to be a very different challenge. There we go.